Hey YouTube, this is girl April Laura. I'm doing a self-talk, self-healing journey about me, my person, what I've been going through life right now, and where I've been for about a couple of days. So, I like coming this round. Number one, I write down on the paper too much on the question, but I'm gonna start with the book. I buy the book at Walmart. I'm like Saturday. Yeah, Saturday or Friday. I think it's Friday I did. And it's a have to talk with God. And it be helping me a lot because I be praying to God and I keep all the negative stuff out of my way, keep the positive stuff out my mindset. So that be helping me a lot. And like good thing to come out because like today I hope this like I would eat like Kroger got pump where I was to pump my guys and this lady I know like I had extra money to pump like pay for her guy because she didn't have it. So I pay for her guys. I know I'm gonna get my blessing because before that God like I think a month ago, God this man paid for mine. I was at Dollar General. This man paid for my stuff that I helped him out because he brought his stuff. I helped him pick up. So he paid for my stuff and I was out of stuff and I gave this homie woman my last couple dollars when I hadn't had it. I had my own credit card, but I had like $2-3 in cash. So that's a good thing. So I'm gonna get my dress back. So number one, I have to remind myself every day, how to stay positive, keep Netflix on my mind, and I try to stay focused and try and get up every day, start my day out with a good hit, not my face. Number two, I try to know my value, but I'm gonna say it out because I don't know how to pronounce it right. BALUOBLE. So I know my words, what I want, what I don't want my new relationship. So I don't pick it up. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna walk away for situation or for anybody. I know my worth. Then number three, I know I'm important. So I come first. You gotta pick what's important to you or anything. You just important. Everything's important in your life. You are important. You're self-important. I have to tell myself every day, you are important. So sometimes I feel like I'm not important. Then number four, you have to take care of yourself. I feel like sometimes when I'm in a relationship or you with friends, family, relationship, you take care of them first before yourself. And I know that I have to take care of me first before anybody else. But I'm still working on that. I'm trying to do that. So I'm taking the time to really set my goal. So comment, subscribe, and y'all like this video. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got for Walmart. So I can't wait about it, so y'all. So I got this from Walmart for $29, and I was for ordering on TikTok. It's like the phone thing where you twist and turn for like the phone. So I'm gonna do barrel like person whatever for my content. And this right here for I got this from take care of my grandmama, cause I'm her caregiver and it's I care for him. So I'm gonna unbox it for y'all. I haven't did it yet, so I think it is. I'm trying to do it with one hand, y'all, so bear with me. Now, it's a water bottle. It said care for. So, like, comment, subscribe.